today's tutorial, I'm going to showcase a gorgeous, stunning bundle that we have at Seint. It's a really special bundle, and it's going to be available while supplies last, starting April 30th until the end of May. So this is the just-in-time bundle. It comes in palette 4, which is our silver design, and it has these 6 stunning shades of a Lip and Cheek Summer Love, Angel Cream Illuminator, and these 4 eyeshadows. I'm going to show you a look that I created with these 6 products. And we're going to talk about a really cool foundation that Seint is going to be working together with called Just in Time. So I first started off with my eyelids by placing a primer on there by NYX. So that's just going to be a barrier between the natural oils on my eyelid to not cause my eyeshadows to crease throughout the day. So we're going to use these 4 stunning shades that come in the Just in Time bundle. I'm going to use my eyeshadow brush from Seint. I'm going to first go into this beautiful color. This is Stay Golden. Fluffy end of the eyeshadow brush. Tap the excess off, and we're going to just start going back and forth like a windshield wiper with the eye open. So what I'm doing is creating a false crease, and I'm applying that color all the way up here. You can feel there's a bone right there on your eyelid. And so this is just helping, especially if you have a hooded eyelid. If the top of your eyelid rests on the bottom, you're just getting that color all the way up there. I have that base of Stay Golden all over my eyelid. Now I'm going to focus on this really deep brown matte. This is Trust. I'm going to switch ends of the eyeshadow brush, go into Trust, and focus that deep brown color in the outer corners and start building dimension. I am going to flick this color up. That way I can prevent fallout onto my face. We're going to build color on that, and I'm going to throw this really fun color on top of that. This is my Hija. It is a hot pink. It is super fun, and it is very pigmented, but we're going to just start building some more dimension on the outer corner of the eye to really give it a pop of color and also make it look even bigger. I'm going to switch brushes to the smudge brush, and I love to just start blending out my eyeshadow so it looks really pretty and blends out. I'm going to use Mama on the front and center of my eyelid. I'm going to use that flatter edge of the smudge brush and start softening this look up. You can take your finger and go into the cream illuminator that comes with it. This is Angel, and the cool thing about our illuminators is they can function as that pop of shimmer on your cheekbone, and they also can be an eyeshadow. So I'm going to just soften this look up with a little bit of shimmer and use my finger and pop Angel Illuminator on the inner corner of my eyes. Super pretty. And then I'm going to finish this off and throw some color on my face. So I do have my Seint foundation on, the 3D foundation of highlight and contour. I even have my bronzer on. I am going to throw this really pretty lip and cheek color. This is Summer Love, and Summer Love is just a really soft, pretty lip and cheek. I'm gonna focus that pink on the top of my cheekbone in the back. And then I'm gonna blend that out with my blend brush. And take my finger and go back into Angel and just place a little bit of that on the top of my cheekbone for that soft shimmer glow. Then you can take Summer Love. It's a lip and cheek, so it functions as blush and or lipstick. You can also put your illuminator if you want in the center of your lips for an ombre effect. And that is the colors that come in the Just in Time bundle. Okay, so I threw on some eyeliner and some lashes, and that's that. So this is the Just in Time bundle. So you're gonna get this for $70, free shipping. It comes in palette 4. You're gonna have 6 stunning tints in here, and I love, love, love these combinations. So this was Summer Love Lip and Cheek, so that is my blush and my lip color. It is such a pretty soft pop of pink for your face. And then this is Angel Illuminator. So it's a cream illuminator, so it's more natural looking. It's on the top of my cheekbone. It's functioning as part of my eyeshadow because it is illuminator, and those are versatile products. It's also in the middle of my lip for an ombre lip effect. And I have these really stunning 4 eyeshadows on my lid today. So I used Stay Golden All Over as a gorgeous base, Trust on the outer corner for a deep chocolate rich depth of color on the outer corner of my eyes, and then Hija for that pop of pink, and it blends out so pretty, and also this soft matte pink Mama all over. So these 6 tins comes in palette 4, $70, free shipping, and the great thing is you're gonna actually be supporting a really good cause. So all the proceeds for the Just in Time bundle go to the Just in Time Foundation. So this is a foundation, a charity in San Diego that focuses on foster care and foster care children that have come through the system, and they are learning how to function in the adult world. So I am in love with this bundle. If you are interested, we also have another bundle called the Love is Never Wasted bundle. And so that bundle retails for $35 free shipping. And in that bundle, you will get Hija and Stay Golden eyeshadow. So these 2 eyeshadows, and then you'll get the eyeshadow brush. So that is the Love is Never Wasted bundle for $35, or the Just in Time bundle that comes with the palette for $70 while supplies last.